Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna play Case Cooker. They updated this game, and I already did one mission though. So yeah, and we are gonna see what it is. So yeah, let's go. And there's a snow theme now. And on the side, if you see this dart, it's this. These are the missions. So yeah. If you want to get a new mission though, you have to pay gems. So yeah, that is 5 gems for me. I don't know what yours is. And they updated this area, everything, almost everything. They updated almost everything. And there's more better things. And these people are playing DJ. So we are back. I was done dancing with them all the way over there. So yeah. So let's see some more updates. So one update is really cool, and they added this time um that how long this server has been playing. So yeah, and this is codes um maybe next video I will give you a code. Actually, one code is two 150k favorites. It's 250 and it's capital 250, capital K, capital B, capital A, um, 250 and capital K, capital V, F, capital A, capital V, and capital S. So yeah, those are all the numbers you need to get that code. So yeah, and one other update, this um this 1 trillion plus server, only people with 1 trillion or more in items um can enter this server. Or you cannot do it. I tried to. You have to have 1 trillion 1 trillion rep or no bucks no 1 trillion plus or more in items. 1 trillion plus server, only people with 1 trillion or more items can enter this server. And over here you can um go in this tunnel, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna try to. And let's see. Nope. Oh wait. It's teleporting me somewhere. Let's see what. No, no, where? What? No, nothing. Took me to a different place, guys. Um. Well, this is weird. Well, I'ma just go here and that road blocked off. Ow. Oh. Oh. Well, this is cool. I think you had to pay Robux. Take off. Um. No, 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 get out of me. How about this the boys' side? I think this costs Robux. Yup. Oh, I don't have that much. Well, can you buy pants? How much is that? What? Pants are so expensive. I think that isn't even pants, but okay. Let's see upstairs. Huh. I bet these are only for quack. I saw a quack right here. It's 200 billion case bucks like 420 Robux. Why does everything have to be so expensive? So yeah, I just didn't know those ones. I want those ones. Rock, what does that mean? See, I would just reset and go back to the other world. So I'm back. So yeah, go back over here. Oh, dang. Yeah, he's really rich. Dang. Okay. He's actually really rich. So yeah, if you want to get claws, if you have Robux and a lot of case bucks, then you can go in that tunnel right over here. Oh, there. So, accept my trade. I sent him a trade and I'm waiting for it. So yeah, please accept my trade. More Robux than you have. You have more. Um, that was not. He declined it. Why? 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 Please, I'll give you a diamond. Oh, what was that? Dominus. It was a Dominus butt door. That is music. One zoo 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 zoo. I think there's that one. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Think that's right. Please, I'll give you down the sputter that is music. 1 trillion. Please, please. Please, 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 please. I should have just spammed it. Oh wait, that was butt door. I think was actually 1 billion. So yeah, those were all the updates here, and they added trees that you climb on, and you did not see that up on that. I just saw something right up that. Who can ever get on this? Like, it's impossible. Only for mountain climber. Maybe video in the future will make a video climbing the mountain. So yeah, this is like the only tree I get. Oh, can I climb this one too? Nope. I'm almost to 1 billion. Shut peoples! Oh well. If you find a way to get on this up the mountain, then comment down below if you do know how to get on the mountain. I'm trying to find some ways to. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, that was easy. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe, comment down below with your favorite video, and goodbye. Peace.